In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a video from Google Translate. And right away, we need to clear up a common misunderstanding so you do not waste time searching for buttons that are not there. Google Translate does not create or store any video files. When you open Google Translate in your browser or the mobile app, you will only see options for text, speech, images, documents, and websites. There is no hidden menu for video downloads, no export as video option, and no way to save a translated clip from inside Google Translate. Knowing this upfront helps you focus on what actually works when you want to understand a video in another language. Instead, if you want to work with video, you need to translate what you see or hear using captions. That is where YouTube subtitles come in. What you are really doing is translating the subtitles or captions of the video. Click the small CC button. Once you click it, you should see text appear on the video when you play it, usually near the bottom center of the screen. If no text appears, the video might not have captions available, and in that case, the later translation option will not show up. Next up, click the settings icon, the small gear near the CC button. When you click it, a menu opens above the button with several options like playback speed, quality, and subtitles, or CC. This is the menu where YouTube controls how the video behaves, and it updates immediately as you change things, so you do not need to save anything. From there, select Subtitles or CC in that settings menu. A new panel opens with a list of available caption tracks. Some videos have only one language, others show multiple languages, or an option that says auto-generated. Beginners often miss that this is a separate menu, so make sure you actually click into Subtitles or CC, not just hover over it. After that, choose Auto Translate from that subtitles list. The moment you click Auto Translate, YouTube will open another list, this time showing many languages. Auto Translate means YouTube takes the existing captions and automatically converts them into another language using its own translation system. Now select your language from that language list. Scroll until you find the language you want to read and click it once. Right after you